Nursing accelerator program is not bad, you guys. A lot of people make nursing accelerator program look like Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Mary Jane Abalihi. I am a new YouTuber and welcome to my world. I am from Nigeria, Imo State, Nigeria to be precise. I was born and raised in Nigeria. I'm a nursing student. I attend Texas Tech School of Nursing in El Paso, Texas. I'm a fun person. I am very energetic. I'm a go-getter. I am always on top of my game. I feel like there isn't a lot of video out there about Texas Tech School of Nursing. Myself as an example, because when I wanted to apply to Texas Tech School of Nursing, I looked for a lot of videos and I couldn't find any. I was very interested because I wanted to see, people that go to the school, and I wanted to follow, closely on how the journey goes and how their life is, the kind of classes they take, the kind of teachers they have, and the kind of community they're in as a whole. But I couldn't find any, so I figured that if I am so interested in something like this, and if I have so much difficulty trying to find this kind of information, I am sure that there's a lot of people out there that wants the same or that's looking for the same. I know what I went through, and I don't want anybody to go through that. And that is why I've decided to have this channel. This channel is going to be about nursing, basically education, lifestyle. It's going to be more about my journey in Texas Tech because I want to show people out there that want to go to Texas Tech School of Nursing so they can see how the process goes and all of those stuff. I signed up for the accelerator program, the Texas Tech BSN accelerator program. It is a 16-month program. It is faster and it is shorter, and it is more hands-on. Unlike the other programs, don't get me wrong though, the regular nursing program is hands-on as well. But I don't think you go hands-on until like you're halfway into the program. So that is something too to keep in mind when you're trying to decide if you want to do the accelerator program or if you want to do the regular traditional nursing program. Nursing accelerator program is not bad, you guys. A lot of people make nursing accelerator program look like it is this crazy thing, it is this thing that is not doable, it is this crazy rocket science. But you guys, it is not bad, it is doable. And this is how I see the world. I feel like if somebody can do it, I can do it. Guys, if I can do it, you can do it. If I can get into that school, you can get into that school. So don't ever limit yourself. Don't ever think that anybody is better than you. Don't ever think that you are less than what you were created to be. Because trust me, there is more to you than you can ever know. You just have to search deep down into you. I want to be there for you guys to see that I am going through this process, and for you guys to see closely how I go through this process. And you guys, I am very, very sure that anybody can do it. Anybody can be a nurse. Anybody can work towards the goal, as long as you have the passion for it, because the passion is the most important thing, because the passion is what makes you want to go through the hard times and makes you want to discipline yourself, and the passion is what makes you what makes you know that, hey, I'm doing this for a reason. I have a purpose on this earth, and I want to fulfill those purpose. All you have to do is put your mind to it, work towards your goals, have your determination set, and you will be fine. You will be very, very fine. Just take away side distraction, concentrate on this career, on this profession, and always have the mindset and always have the why. Why is the reason why I'm going through this? The why, you can be able to, guide yourself towards the right path and try to help yourself with the why. Because of the why, you can know that, hey, I have to be studying with this guy. You have to know that, hey, I have to be doing this because you have that why. Why is always very, very important in anything you do, not just nursing, in anything you do in this life. So guys, this is it for this video. Thank you very, very much for watching this video, and I hope this video has given you enough information about me and about what I hope to do on this channel. Because of school and everything, I will be uploading once a week, but that schedule might change based on how busy my week might be. But I'm going to try my best to upload, and I'll try to give you guys as much information as possible. That is the goal. That is the plan. Right now I'm having my classes online, but starting next week, I believe classes will start in person. I don't know how teachers will feel with me trying to take my camera in class to, record lectures and all of that. But you guys, I'm going to try my best to, put out there as much information as I can. But yes, this is it for this video, guys. I'm very, very happy that you guys will follow me through this process. It is going to be a very overwhelming process, but I am pretty sure, I am very, very sure that with God, all things are possible. And I'm very sure that it is a process that can be doable as long as my mind is set. Thank you very much, guys, for watching this video. I very, very much appreciate. Please, guys, go ahead and like this video, subscribe to this channel, help me share this video across to your friends and your family. We want to grow together. That's the plan, that's the goal. So I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Nursing accelerator program is not bad. Oh, you kidding me? Accelerator program is doing